Quick context before the demo. This video is built from Satya Nadella's launch post and Microsoft's official Copilot in Excel article. And for our own operator workflow, we use Conductor at conductros.com. It works with Codex, Claude Code, Gemini, Cursor Agent, GitHub Copilot, OpenCode, and the current setup, while execution stays fully local on your machine. Now to the Microsoft news. This is not just another Copilot button in Excel. Microsoft is turning common finance workflows into repeatable skills, so a team can teach Copilot the exact way it closes books, refreshes a model, prepares a board package, or builds a variance analysis, then reuse that process across workbooks. The official framing is very finance-specific. Microsoft says finance has a higher bar than generic office automation because the answer alone is not enough. A finance user needs trusted data, traceable calculations, and a clear path from assumption to result. The launch has 3 pieces. First, skills for repeatable workflows. Second, financial connectors that bring trusted public and private market data into Excel. Third, more traceability, including planning before Copilot edits and attribution after it changes cells. That combination is the real story. Excel is becoming a place where teams encode their own operating process, not just ask one-off prompts. The source video makes the workflow concrete. It starts inside an Excel finance workbook with the Copilot pane open on the right. The first callout says you can choose from a sample library of finance skills. Then it shows a Manage Skills panel with finance enabled and examples like 3 statements. The next callout says you can upload a custom skill for common workflows. Then the user calls a quarterly close analysis skill. Copilot runs against the workbook, and the output is a close package with tables, commentary, and a side panel explanation. The important detail is that the skill is not a chat prompt floating in space. It is attached to a repeatable workbook process. The most interesting part is the SKILL.md piece. Microsoft says teams can create their own custom skills with an open standard markdown file named SKILL.md, save it in OneDrive, and have Copilot pick it up. That sounds small, but it changes the shape of adoption. A finance team can write down how it builds a DCF, how it formats a 3-statement model, how it prepares a variance package, or how it refreshes a monthly reporting model. Then the skill guides Copilot through the same structure the team already trusts. This is much closer to process capture than prompt engineering. The second big piece is data grounding. Microsoft lists expanded financial connectors for Copilot in Excel, including CB Insights, Dalupa, FactSet, Morningstar, PitchBook, and S&P Global Deterministic Retrieval from Kensho. The practical promise is simple. Instead of copying data from filings, market feeds, decks, and research portals, an analyst can ask Copilot to use approved sources directly inside the workbook. Microsoft also ties the workflow to WorkIQ, so prompts can combine workbook data, internal documents, and external data. The caveat is important. These data sources can require separate provider licenses, and availability can vary. Traceability is where this becomes serious for finance. Microsoft says users can choose plan with Copilot before action, so Copilot outlines the ranges, worksheets, formulas, and assumptions it intends to update, plus any clarifying questions. After changes are made, the edits remain traceable, with links back to affected cells, and changes are attributed to Copilot in the Show Changes pane. That matters because finance teams do not just need an answer that sounds right. They need to review the path, challenge the assumptions, and explain how a number moved from source to report. My read is that this is Microsoft taking the same pattern that made coding agents useful and moving it into the spreadsheet. The winning workflow is not, ask AI to do finance. It is, give AI a governed process, approved data, workbook rules, and a review trail. If your team already has a way to close the quarter or prepare a board package, a skill can turn that method into a reusable assistant. If your process is undocumented, Copilot will expose that too. The teams that benefit first will be the ones that standardize their messy analyst workflows before automating them. That is the real takeaway from Copilot skills in Excel. Microsoft is making Excel more agentic, but the trust comes from skills, connectors, plans, and audit trails, not from a magic prompt. If you are testing this, start with one repeatable finance workflow and one clean workbook, then compare the output against your current manual package. Links are in the description. And if you want a fully local command center for your coding agents, check conductoros.com and the Conductor OSS GitHub repo. It works with all coding agents, the current setup, and keeps execution local.